You want to throw up a name? Chandra. A truly inspiring woman of substance, Chandra Rao of Noida. Can we have her on stage? She was a topper at both school and university. She professionally qualified as a chartered accountant within 2.5 years and was just the second woman to qualify from Delhi in 1971. Thereafter, she joined Central Bank of India as an officer on special duty in 1971. She was made in charge of the credit department of the zone comprising of Delhi NCR and Rajasthan. Due to her commitment and potential, she was also given charge of merchant banking, Hindi implementation, and functioned also as nodal officer for all matters with the finance ministry and held an additional portfolio, that of the chairman of the bank's sports board. In 1985, she was transferred to the personnel department in charge of computerization of the branches. And in July 1987, she was promoted to the assistant general manager, but was not given that promotion on grounds of lacking mobility, which was when she resigned from the bank on principle. Thereafter, she joined a medium heavy engineering company as its finance manager. Within a span of 2 years, their entire design function for manufacturing was done, and she made to order machinery was computerized. And we need more and more committed people like her. So a big round of applause for her. In 1988, she resigned to take care of her parents and developed her hobbies. She played with her career, her talents, painting, cooking, gardening, reading, bird watching, all that she's been doing. So there's a lot of inspiration for us here. And she independently drives around, and while she was driving around, she met Ketna in Jaipur, is that right? And that is a commendable story. And as we grow further in years, believe me, she's really amazing, the kind of things I'm getting to know about her. She used to swim daily, and you still swim daily. And she has been at the Paralympic Games 1958 and 65. Won gold medals, and she's been awarded a lot of awards. She was a resource person for DPI in 1998 in Mexico and Burma. Today she's busy being a secretary in the Consumer Committee of the Spinal Cord Society and treasurer of the Spinal Foundation. And as you can see, she's a very warm and charming person. That smile is very radiant, and I think we have a rock star amongst us. So, can we now see this trophy here? That's the Rockstar trophy. And can we have Dr. Fernandez up on stage and, to honor Ms. Chandra Rao with the trophy. This beautiful Rockstar trophy has been designed by Create Advertising, crafted and sponsored by Shri Madhu Narangji, Managing Director of Better Services. A very big thank you to him. And that trophy, which is so beautiful, goes to her because of all her achievements. So we have a lovely film showing you what she's done. If we can play out the film for you. Yes.
I just want to say that I haven't done half the things that she has done in her life, and I think it's most wonderful. Really, all of us, part of the foundation and others, it's a true inspiration. I must tick off and say, you did it, I must try. I still don't know how to swim. So really wonderful, really wonderful.
Absolutely. Thank you, Doctor. And let's take a look at the film.
है ये वक्त का इशारा
big round of applause there. And can I call Dr. Parinaz Humranwala to read the citation?
Rockstar Award 2014, Ms. Chandra Rama Rao, an inspirational woman. Ma'am, you are our role model. Ma'am, you are our rock star. Your success and achievements in your professional, personal, and community life serve as a role model beacon for the spinally injured community and society as a large. A devastating spinal injury at a young age of 11 was no hindrance to pursue your professional aspirations to qualify as a chartered accountant. You have led a respectable life, exploring every aspect, be it cooking, painting, sports, traveling, social service, and confidently practicing independent living. We salute your positive attitude, determination, and willpower. Nina Foundation is proud to present its Rockstar Award on 25th June 2014, Spinal Injury Awareness Day in Mumbai, to our Rockstar awardee, Ms. Chandra Rama Rao.
A big round of applause. And Mr. Shivaji Satham, sir, please come up on stage. If you could hand over the citation to her. There's a lovely, the citation that was just read out is here. Come. Yeah, please, sir. Come. Both of you come. Yeah. And if I can have Dr. Tendulkar on stage to give a gift back, sir, please come. So thank you. Please. Thank you so much. Would you like to say? A big round of applause